Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make mayonnaise. But before we get started, make sure to smash that subscribe button and then hit the little bell for the notifications, so that way whenever I post a brand new video, you know that a brand new video has been posted by yours truly. And if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and comment, and then hit that share button and share it on all your social media, please. I got this recipe from 15spatulas.com. And here's what you're going to need for this recipe. 1 pasteurized chicken embryo, aka an egg, like I made in the last video. But sorry, this time I'm not taking my shirt off and putting eggs over my nipples for all you ladies out there. I know you want to see it. Not really. I know you don't want to see that. I know you really don't. 1 1/4 cups extra light olive oil. You can use olive oil or light olive oil. Do not, under any circumstance, get extra virgin olive oil. You need a neutral oil for this. You do not want to taste this oil whenever you're making mayonnaise. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground mustard, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. First, leave out your pasteurized egg for 30 minutes to bring it up to room temperature. Next, in a food processor or a blender, mix all ingredients together except for the oil until it looks like this. And then slowly and sensually drizzle in your oil. Drizzle and blend until you get this. And lastly, put in your refrigerator until you're ready to use. After spending the night in the refrigerator, this is what mine looked like. All right, everyone, the moment of truth. I'm going to taste my very first batch of homemade mayonnaise. Has a very strong flavor to it. Very strong. Maybe I'm just used to the store-bought, but this is like bang pow. I don't know. I think maybe I would cut it down to maybe 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I think that's what's going on here. But if you really want to try their version, go ahead and stick with the rest of the video. But if I do this again, I know I'm probably going to cut down on that lemon juice, because that's what I think is kind of tart in it. Which, by the way, I didn't put the lemon juice in there right. I put it in as I put in all the other ingredients in, like before the oil. But I guess you're supposed to put it in afterwards, and then blend it again. It's not bad. It's just not personally for me. To me, I think that is probably the lemon shining through. But you could definitely tell this is mayonnaise. Like, it is mayonnaise through and through. Trust me on that one. But like I also said, and I hope I don't sound like I'm rambling, but I've never had homemade mayonnaise before. I've always had the store-bought. Also, another thing, with the pasteurized egg, they say the chances of salmonella are so low that they don't pasteurize their eggs whenever they make this. But I'm going to urge you guys to, because for one, I don't want anybody getting salmonella. For two, I don't want any kind of backlash coming at me and saying, hey, Cooking Goth, you said that I could use unpasteurized eggs, and now I'm sick. I don't want that kind of backlash coming at me, so no. So I'm going to urge you guys to pasteurize your eggs or buy pasteurized eggs. But this is part 3 of a 4-part video series, so stay tuned. That's all I got for you guys tonight. Like I always say, just have fun with it. If you're going to make mayonnaise, if you're going to make YouTube videos, or if you're going to be a mechanic or go into business for yourself or whatever it is, just have fun with it. Because your career should be fun and awesome, and you only live once. So just have fun with it. Have a great night, everyone.